So you're looking for a tripod like this and this. So in this video, I'm going to tell you which is the best tripod that you can buy in 2026 to be a content creator. These two tripods are under 1000 and you can buy it from Amazon and Flipkart. I'll give you the link. So firstly we talk about this. This is an amazing tripod which is cost around, wait a second, I don't know what is that called. Firstly talk about the specification of this tripod. So this has a light which has 3 mode. You can use it 1, 2, 3 and 3 mode. And after that, this is mobile connected. You can connect mobile by this, and this is an amazing tool. If you want to just like move it 360, you can just move it. And let's see how the length it has. So it has a lot of length. Yeah, this is the height of this. My height is 5 feet 9 inches, and this also has the similar height, so we can call it a good choice for you. And yeah, this is all for this. Let me tell you the price of this tripod. So this is selfie stick with grip handle. This is R16S from, wait a second, from which is the brand, I don't know the brand name. So yeah, this is the tripod. So you can buy this tripod from Amazon and Flipkart. I'll give you the link in the description. You can check it out there. And now move to the next tripod. So yeah, this is our next tripod. This tripod is around, I bought it around 3 years ago. When I bought this in that time, it cost me around 800 and something. And right now I don't know what's the current price of this. I'll give you the link in description, and you can check it out on Flipkart and Amazon. So yeah, so let's talk about the specification of this tripod. So if you want to know about my personal choice, I preferred that because this has good height and all, but there is a problem with that. It cannot hold, it just run away. If you on the fan and all, there are high chances that it will fall. So yeah, this is only problem with this tripod. Otherwise that's okay. And this has very strong grip. So if you want a strong tripod which never falls, no matter if you on the fan and all, so this has a lot of good things. Firstly we talk about the height of this. So this tripod has not so great height, but a decent height. This is its maximum height. So if you want to create dance videos and sitting videos, then you can use it. But if you want to record standing videos like this, I don't think it's a good choice. But I like it. When I use sitting videos, I use this, and dance videos I prefer to use this. And when I use videos like that which requires the frame high bar, then I use this tripod. And right now this video is recording by another tripod which is similar like this. I cannot show that because the video will stop. And yeah, that's all for now. And if you want more videos like this, then please comment below and share your thoughts how the video is for you. And if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. I love you all. Till then, bye. I love you all. Let's go to the moon and I'll see you. Bye. I love you all. And wait. One more thing. It's just a simple thing which I wanted to tell you, that if you found this video helpful and you think that you can do something for me, then please share your valuable comment and feedback in the comment section, and share this video to the one person which you think you should do. And yeah, that's all for now. I love you all. Bye. See you then. This is an RJ, and if you're watching, an RJ. Bye. अबे यार